Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sell books on Amazon. To begin, you will need to set up an Amazon seller account. You can choose between an individual plan, costing 99 cents per item sold, or a professional plan, which is $39.99 per month. Next, decide if you will use Fulfillment by Amazon, where Amazon handles storage and shipping, or Fulfillment by Merchant, where you manage everything yourself. This initial setup is crucial for your selling journey. Once your account is ready, it is time to list your books. Search for your book using its ISBN or ASIN to see if it is already on Amazon. If not, you will create a new product page. Make sure to write a clear, engaging description and upload high-resolution images of the cover. Carefully consider your pricing, factoring in Amazon's various fees and potential shipping costs to ensure profitability. Now, let's talk about getting your books to customers. If you chose Fulfillment by Amazon, you will send your inventory to an Amazon warehouse, and they will handle the rest. With Fulfillment by Merchant, you are responsible for packaging each book securely and shipping it directly to the buyer. Always adhere to Amazon's specific packaging and labeling guidelines to avoid any delays or issues. Regularly monitor your inventory levels. To maximize your book sales, consider using Amazon's advertising services to boost visibility. Actively encourage customers to leave reviews, as positive feedback significantly impacts buyer trust and search engine ranking. Optimize your product titles and descriptions with relevant keywords to help potential readers find your books more easily. Continuously analyze your sales data and adapt your strategies for ongoing success and growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.